Hey everybody, Chris Romani with RBM here with you today. Today we're going to do a quick little video just on how to do Google My Business. So in one sentence, what is Google My Business? It is a platform that Google has set up so that people can identify where your business is and learn basic information about it using the Google search engine instead of going to your page. Now, if you're a business that location is important, as in people are searching for find X, whatever your product is near me, 93% of the time now, I believe is the number, Google is showing a map ahead of search results. So it's very important that you have Google My Business. Let's go right into the video. I'm going to pull up my computer here. If you're a well-established business, this is going to be a very simple process. All you need to do is go into Google and search your own business name. At the right, you're going to see a box that is going to have a bunch of information about your business. And if you haven't claimed your business, as you scroll down, you will see something that says, "Own this business?" ? All you have to do is click on that, and then Google will take you right into the page. Now, one thing I do need to mention is you do have to have a Gmail address. So if not, go ahead and make one of those. Not a big process, but once you click on that page, you're going to be able to go ahead and get into Google My Business. Okay, so that's if you have a business and you're well established. What if you're a new business, an in-home business, a local business, kind of like myself? So in that case, there's one of two things you can do. So again, I'm going to open up my browser here, and we're going to go to Google. Now, once you're in Google, you can do business.google.com.
And then once you've entered that, go ahead and look for add location. Go ahead, click that, and then you're going to see where you can put the name of your business. And if your business has been around a while, it will pop up. Now, if Google can't find your business, or if you're a new business, the last thing to do is click Add a New Business below here. Once you do that, it's going to ask you your business's name. Google is once again going to check to make sure that it's not something they already have listed. So in this case, I'm going to put a new barbershop. And then after that, I'm going to continue, or I'm going to be asked for the category, in which case, of course, obviously, that's going to be a barbershop. It's going to ask me if I want to add a location so that people can find my store, and then it'll ask me for the address. Now, I'm not going to put the address in here and have it add a fake location, but there you go. You'll go back to your home screen, and you've been added to Google My Business.
All right, and that is it. So I'm going to be doing more of these videos to help you improve your digital presence. So if you have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment below. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you found it helpful. And we'll go ahead and see you on the next one.